Hey, hi, this is Sampath. Today I'm going to show you the method which helps you to collect hundreds of LinkedIn targeted email addresses in just a few minutes. So for this, you no need to have any technical skills. Just simply follow my process. In just few minutes only, we are going to grab lots of email addresses. So for example, if you see here, I need to reach out e-commerce business owners in USA. So I'm going to show you the process, how I'm going to collect hundreds of email addresses in just a few minutes. So all these emails we are going to collect on Google search results only. So for that, just simply go to google.com. First, we have to do few things. So just once you go to google.com, just go to settings. Then after, simply go to search settings. Once you go to search settings, then here, select here up to 100, then click save. So if you select here up to 100, Google search will show us 100 results per page. This is going to be very important for us now. So then after, go to Google Chrome extensions, install this Chrome extension called Email Grabber. So once you install this Chrome extension, then after you can have a chance to see icon like this. This tool is going to be very helpful for us while doing this process. Then after, simply close these tabs, just go to google.com, type whatever your targeted niche is. Suppose for example, my targeted niche is e-commerce. I need to type here e-commerce. See here, whatever your targeted niche is, just type here first your targeted niche. Suppose IT industry, manufacturing industry, or education industry, or anything related, just type here health industry, just type here your targeted niche first. Then after, just simply type whom you are going to target. For example, I need to target e-commerce owners and also CEOs. So just simply type like this. So owners and CEOs. Suppose if you are targeting VP sales and any IT managers, just here type IT managers, VP sales and all. Then just here type your targeted location. For example, I'm going to type New York. So if you type New York, then you can have a chance to collect some new mails. For example, if you target country, you can have a chance to collect solid email addresses. So I'm just simply here targeting country. So first here, just type here your targeted niche, then your targeted people, then after targeted location, then simply type email. Then after, just simply type at the rate of gmail.com. Gmail.com, then type site colon linkedin.com. linkedin.com. See, just simply click enter. Once you click enter, we can have a chance to see here lot of such results relevant to e-commerce owners in our targeted place. Just simply type at the rate of gmail.com here. Once you click this, then you can have a chance to see how many emails are there here. See how many emails. There are a lot of email addresses, see, relevant to our targeted. If you can see here, entrepreneur, USA, CEO, and this is e-commerce. Definitely I can say this is e-commerce related. If you see here e-commerce, so we have here email ID. We can have a chance to see he's the director of this company, and here targeted location also here we have. See, like this, all are our targeted email addresses, and that too LinkedIn search results only. All these are LinkedIn search results. If you see here, all are LinkedIn links only. So because here we are typing here site colon LinkedIn. So if you type like this, Google search results will show us only LinkedIn results. See how many results here we have. So now I'm going to show you the method. All these emails we are going to grab in single click. Single click, we are going to grab all the emails, whatever the emails we are able to see, right? I'm going to show you how to grab all the emails in just single click. So we install this Chrome extension, right? If you are not installed it, just please install this Chrome extension. So then after, just click prepare to print. Once you click it, click prepare to print, then boom, all the emails we can have a chance to see here. See how many email addresses. See, if you see here how many email addresses, there are 91 email addresses. In just few minutes, we are seeing here 91 targeted email addresses. So we collected already 91 email addresses. So this is small. Do you think is this small? So now I'm going to show you how to collect hundreds of email addresses. See, just copy wherever you want. Just copy all the email addresses first. Just copy and paste somewhere. So and check if there is any duplicate emails, check and remove those duplicate email addresses. So but I think we grabbed all these LinkedIn emails, so most of the email addresses may be genuine only. Then we collected here first page results only. Then simply go to second page. See here all the search results is there, right? We collected only first page results. Then go to second page results. So once you go to second page, then again we can have a chance to see a lot of results. See, there are a lot of results here. Just again go and click this tool. Just click simply prepare to print. Once you click prepare to print, again we can have a chance to see here a lot of email addresses. Just copy and paste somewhere. See how cool is this, right? We are going to collect hundreds of email addresses. Now in just few minutes we collected here around 150 email address. So then same like that, go to third page again, just collect same like this. So we are seeing here only 2 pages. No problem. No, I'm going to show you the again some other method also. So here we enter Gmail, right? Just simply remove this Gmail and simply type, for example, rediff.com. Just click enter. Once you click that, again we can have a chance to see some email addresses. See, so simply go and click this tool, click prepare to print. Again copy all the email addresses and paste here somewhere wherever you like. And the same process, go to second page and collect like this. And I due to time consuming, I'm not going to collect second page. I'm just here. If you see here Rediff, right, just change here method, right? yahoo.com. See, again we can have a chance to see a lot of email addresses. See, 76 email addresses. See all the email addresses again. Is this not cool, my dear friends? So just copy all the email addresses and paste wherever you like. See, earlier also I just copied only Rediff one page results. You can go and collect second page results also. The same like this, go on second page and collect again second page results. See, go to second page and collect second page results again. See, here again we are able to see 62 email addresses. Just copy all the email addresses and paste wherever you like. So in just few minutes we are collecting all these email addresses. In just few minutes we are collecting how many emails? See how many emails we collected. We are going to collect lots of more email addresses now. Just simply close this. Then now here change again such term called all.com. All.com. Just click enter. So again we have a chance to see more results, 65 results again. See, so just click prepare to print and copy all the results and paste wherever you like. See how solid is this, right? So in just few minutes we collected how many email addresses here. Is this not good method? So in just few minutes we are collected hundreds of email addresses here. That's it, guys. So is this not cool? Hopefully this video will be helpful to you. So whatever your search results is, whatever your niche is, just change here your niche and just change here your targeted person role and just change here your location, then collect hundreds of email addresses. So if you have any doubts in this video process, just comment in the video comment section. I will definitely reply your comments. So definitely if you are facing any problem while doing this process, I definitely helpful to you. Or if you need any services relevant to data, just feel free to contact me. I do provide solid data and high quality data from your targeted places and targeted locations, targeted companies. For example, if you are looking for local leads, I do provide local business leads. Or if you are looking for targeted LinkedIn leads, I do provide targeted LinkedIn leads. Or if you are looking for targeted companies, decision makers, or employees, or CEOs, anything like this, I do provide that type of data also. All the details I will provide you verified and high quality data. And if you are looking for reach out some targeted industry related CEOs or anything like that, I do help like this way also. If you have any requirement like this, so feel free to contact me. I'm mentioning my contact details in the video description box. So you just reach out to me anytime. Or if you have any doubts in this video process collecting these email addresses, just make sure comment on my comment section. Definitely I will reply your comment. And if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.